Hey everyone, Pat's Cosplay here, and today we have received a package from Pro Cosplay. Let's crack it open. All of those days watching in the sunlight. Oh. First thing we got is the wig here. I will have to likely style this one. It doesn't look pre-styled, so I'll open that up in a second here. But yeah, here's the entire thing right here. I love that they give bags. These things are so useful. Please don't drop. So to start off, they give you these boot things. They're kind of like shoe covers. I don't know. I may not use them. I'll see how they look, but I may just get regular boots for them. Then they give you his little like pouch thing. So this is an actual bag, which is phenomenal because on most costumes like this, they don't have any pockets. So having your pocket is very useful for your con pass and your phone and your wallet, and that just makes it a lot easier. You don't have to sew one in because that's very frustrating. But here we got like the khaki pants, pretty standard. They're just pants. Then we got the, ooh, it's kind of like a vest. All right, let's look at this first. So this just seems like the white collared shirt. Again, you could just wear like a white dress shirt if you didn't get this package and make it, but I like this. It's like actually like padded. Oh my god, that honestly looks fantastic. Wow, I need to get into this. Holy moly. Okay, and there you have it. It's not bad. There's a few things that unfortunately didn't come the way that I was hoping to. A few things would have to be the shoes. I'm not going to be wearing these shoes. I'll buy some off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. Not going to be a big deal. I'm going to give some more life to this wig just with a little bit of styling, just to try and give it a little bit more of his look, because it's very round. That's the only thing that I'm having problems with. Other than that, I mean, it fits great. Let's see if I can turn around here. Like, it fits great. No problems at all. I have pretty good mobility, actually very good mobility. And this costume has normal pockets. That's very rare for a costume from like a company store because pockets take a long time to sew, and the fact that they actually added that in without like mentioning it, phenomenal. So I got this cosplay from Pro Cosplay. If you want to get 10% off, I'll leave a link down below using Pat's Cosplay. As for this specific cosplay, this I got it for $85 along with the shipping, which was about $25. So in total, it was about $110, which really ain't that bad. Like if you wanted to do this work, it would cost you probably about $110 and then the hours. So it's actually not terrible. Now it would look better if you put the 110 of your own money into it instead of buying it from a company, but this saves you a lot of time if you're one, just doing your first cosplay ever, two, you don't have that much skill in sewing, and three, you're very short on time. Me, I was very short on time. I had a cosplay within 2 weeks. I was like, I need something. So I got to them, they got me this within 2 weeks, and I was like, all right. I'm happy with that. So what do you guys think of the cosplay? Is it good? Is it bad? Comment down below what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Can't believe I'm doing this. Prepare for the smolder.